In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify verified sellers on 1688. 1688 is Alibaba's China marketplace, and the product page holds the trust signals you need. On the app or 1688.com, here's what to check before ordering. Open a product you're interested in. The shop name sits near the top and verification badges appear next to it or in the shop header. This is your dashboard for credibility. First, look for the badge Shi Li Shangjia. It means powerful merchant and marks a verified supplier. It's awarded after business verification, a company or factory inspection, and transaction checks. Because it bundles multiple audits, prioritize shops that display it. If it isn't visible on the product page, open the shop profile. Some layouts show it there. When two listings look similar, choose the one with Shili Shangjia. This is your strongest single indicator. Next, check for Chengxin Tong, a paid membership that signals commitment and legitimacy. You'll usually see a gold icon plus the membership years like 5 Nian or 10 Nian. More years generally equals a steadier track record. Use Chengxin Tong as supporting evidence alongside Shili Shangjia. Now confirm Jingying Nianxian, the years in business. 3 or more years is safer, 5 to 10 years is typically very reliable. Be careful with new accounts, then review performance data. Chengjiao Liang shows total transactions, and Huitou Lu shows the repeat customer rate. A healthy transaction count plus a high repeat rate signals solid quality and service. Open the review section labeled Pingjie and look for entries with Shipai 2, meaning real buyer photos. Image reviews are more trustworthy because they show how the product looks outside studio lighting. Read for consistent themes. If there are no reviews, treat that as missing proof and slow down. Lastly, open the seller profile to confirm business information. Look for Yingye Zhizhao, the business license, plus a registered company name, address, and any factory photos or videos. Verified, complete details tie the shop to a real entity and reduce risk. Put it together. Prioritize Shili Shangjia, value, long Chengxin, Tong membership, confirm years in business, check transactions and repeat buyers, read image-backed reviews, and verify business documents. Use these signals together to identify credible sellers on 1688 with confidence.